So with the Android 12 coming in, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi and other phone brands have commenced the work on their next UI. They'll of course add all the stock features and also their own tweaks and skin on top. Now OnePlus with Oxygen OS 12 is planning for some huge changes, and these changes will make stock interface look really outdated. Now what OnePlus working on is something which is gonna be beneficial for all users. The Oxygen OS 12 is gonna provide fast and fluid stock experience with some additional features. So there are total of 7 huge features in the works as I speak, and the first one is separate volume for each application. Right now we can set different volume for alarm, media and notifications. So in the future, likely with Oxygen OS 12, OnePlus is doing something similar to this, the separate volume interface for all application. Huge change which OnePlus is including in next OS is theme store. This one is I guess all are waiting for. So with this one in action, you can change whole theme including icons, font, application interface like dialer, settings and whatnot. I often do this to change my Xiaomi device interface to iOS or to Samsung's One UI. So those will have to try different interface, different skin. This one is coming really soon. You can apply to make theme for this on OnePlus forum right now. The third feature work in progress is advanced power saving mode, which is gonna stop all the applications, all the background process, switch to 60Hz and lowest resolution, and in addition to all this give you a few important options like calls, messages and Gmail. So if you have like 10% battery left, I guess this feature can help making it last for a day. Some more changes includes FPS counter in game space, which is like must right now for gamers and for those who do testing. We can see if the phone can do constant 60 FPS or 90 FPS, what can we improve and which settings can we change to make it play smooth. So we'll get an idea using that. There is wireless transfer from PC to phone and vice versa coming in, partial screenshot is in the works, and finally black dark mode. So this all sound exciting for sure. See, I know some of you will say they should fix bugs and all. I use MIUI, One UI, stock interface, iOS and Oxygen OS, and not even a single device is bug free right now. There are some small glitches, some hiccups, bugs in all of them, and that's why we get monthly patches in all of them, right? So this is a never ending issue. So this all guys, OnePlus plans to announce some more features on 18th May, so make sure to subscribe. I'll make a video on that. Your thoughts in the comment section and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.